had put to sea, and the name of the ship was the Billy O.T. The winds blew hard, her bow dipped down. Blow me, bully boys, blow. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the target is done, we'll take our leave and go. She had not been 2 weeks from shore, we're down on her right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the weatherman